There are two important components to working on an egg farm. Firstly, looking after the hens so they're healthy and able to produce high quality eggs, and making sure that those eggs are safe for humans to eat. Avian influenza, otherwise known as bird flu or AI, is a highly contagious virus that can cause extreme numbers of hen deaths. It also has the potential to cause disease in humans. AI is the most serious disease that can infect a layer flock. For this reason, it's categorised as a notifiable disease. A notifiable disease means your state or territory government needs to be notified as soon as it is suspected that the flock may be infected with AI. AI has been detected in wild waterfowl in Australia, so wild bird control on farm is very important. Early detection, then diagnosis by a vet is essential in preventing the spread of AI. The signs of AI you can look out for are typical sick bird symptoms like closed eyes, dopiness and ruffled feathers, respiratory distress, coughing, sneezing or rasping, watery eyes, swelling or discoloration of head, neck, combs and wattles, rapid drops in feed intake, water intake and/or egg production, diarrhea, sudden death with a flock mortality rate between 3 to 15%. AI should be considered a possibility if a high proportion of the flock become ill very quickly. If the farm suspects there is AI on the property, the directive is to lock your gate and contact the vet or the Emergency Animal Disease Hotline, 1800 675 888. What process should you follow at your farm if you suspect there is a serious issue with flock health? If you aren't aware of the process, ask your supervisor or manager for guidance.